Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the NEDBANK app on your phone by tapping the green NEDBANK icon. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your app store and search for NEDBANK, then install it. Once you've got it open, you'll need to log in with your username and password. Step 2. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen showing your accounts. Look at the top of the screen where you'll see your account information. Tap on the specific account where you want to find the account number. Step 3. Once you've selected your account, tap on the 3 dots menu icon in the top right corner. This opens additional options for that specific account. You'll see a drop-down menu with several choices. Step 4. From the menu, select the option that says Account Details or View Account Information. This will display all the information linked to your account in one place. Step 5. Scroll down on this screen and you'll clearly see your full account number displayed. Write it down or take a screenshot if you need to save it for later. That's all there is to it. Your account number is now visible and ready to use for transfers, payments, or any other banking needs.